In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Telegram Premium. That is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is really similar for Android and iOS devices. So first, you need to be sure that your Telegram is updated to the latest version, because Telegram Premium is quite new Telegram feature. So first go to App Store and then search for Telegram here. Then open up Telegram app page, and if this button says update, hit on that and wait until update process is complete. If this button says open, just hit on that and open up your Telegram app. After that, hit add settings. Then scroll down for a bit and hit add Telegram Premium. Telegram Premium gives you doubled limits, animated emojis, 4 GB upload size, and bunch more different features. You can read all that information before buying a subscription. After that, you can hit right here where it says subscribe. Then wait for a couple of seconds and then double click power button to subscribe. You can cancel subscription in any time, at least 1 day before each renewal date. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.